Today I'm going to show you how to do one of the easiest CSS tricks to make the footer of your website stand out. You are going to learn how to do the same effect as on the Odoo website. We can see that this effect is like a curtain that is pulled up to reveal the footer. First, we want to add a body section with a main section where you will add your content. We then add our footer section with its content. We then need to add some CSS to give the footer the effect. And don't forget to link your CSS file to your HTML file with a link tag. Next, we are going to add a color to the footer and give it a size of 100%. Also add a color to our main section and give it a size of 100% too. Add a box shadow to the main section to create the shadow effect. As we can see, the shadow is also on the side, but we want it to be only under the main section and above the footer. We need to set the padding and margin to 0 on the body of the page. We can also center the text, change its color and change the font. I'm also adding padding to the titles. It's starting to look good. But we can see that the background color is not quite right on the footer because there is not the same color under the shadow and the footer. We need to change the color of the body to be the same as the footer. You can also do this using divs instead of changing the color of the entire body section. We can see that the shadow is cut off, but that's not what we want. We want it to be above the footer. To do this, set the position of the main section to relative. We have the shadow effect, but we don't have the effect when we scroll down the page. We need to set the footer position to sticky and set the index of the footer to an index lower than the one of the main section. It's not revealing as a curtain. It still doesn't work because we have to set the footer bottom position to 0, as we want it to be always at the bottom of the page and only revealed when the main section is pushed up with the scroll. And here is the effect we were looking for. We can now change more the style of our content to have the best website ever made.